and this is Sea Life.
That was a beautiful cartwheel, Dal. She did it! Yay!
Okay, I'm sure we can edit it. Welcome back to our channel. Today is an amazing celebration day, and we're still going to watch Daniel work. Okay, now Daniel can tell me.
I just set the blades on the mill.
He's just setting the blades.
100 or 25 foot-pounds for the blade, so it'll save my blade.
He said 25 foot-pounds for the blade, so it'll save his blade. So we learned this little setting the blade idea from another YouTuber, and we are so thankful to have seen that on his YouTube. You never can tell what you're going to learn. And today I am going to go in and I'm going to look at comments and who's uploading and things like that, and I am going to tag some people today to do the 40 questions challenge. And I hope that the ones that I tag will not have already done them, and that they will enjoy it as much as I did. Daniel and I just had a blast with that 40 questions, and I hope y'all just enjoy that as much as we did. Y'all have been so kind, and we are so thankful to all of our subscribers and those of you who are watching and commenting and sharing even. I am so excited and so thankful for every bit of your kindness. We are certainly enjoying YouTubing. Here he goes with his trusty little tools. Again, getting it set up. Getting the log set up and positioned exactly where he wants it. He said this is the last log from that huge tree that we had dropped at that other farm, and it has had some amazingly beautiful wood. Still trying to figure out which way he wants that log to sit. He's wondering if he needs to slide it over some. So here it goes with the tanker's bar, his trusty little tools. Certain little tools that you must have when you're doing this. That cant and that tanker's bar. It really does help. But that is a huge, huge log. And I think, I don't know what he's going to wind up doing with this. He says once we get it put in the shed, he's going to have to pull it out, clean out underneath of this every once in a while. Yeah, because otherwise you're just going to have a big old pile of sawdust unless we figure out something for the sawdust. And also, of course, bark and chips and things like that. Yeah, he's still readjusting. He says he's got his 2,000 pounds with that log. Oh, he's going to pick it up with the tanker's bar. Okay. Well, I'll believe it when I see it. He says he just did it a minute ago, so I must have missed it. I wasn't paying attention. So he says if I think he's going to keep doing it, I'm crazy. So Yeah, I guess he's probably right. I don't blame him. I don't think I'd keep trying to do that either. Well, it is not too cold here for being November, or the middle of November. We're just having a cool day, but it may warm up and who knows. Here it goes. He's going to use this cant, another small tool that you cannot do without if you're trying to do this. He's still wrestling it. I may have to get in there and hold it for him or something. I don't know. Let's see, he's busy with it. Oh yeah, see, I think he's getting a little close to the edge, if you ask me. But what do I know? To all of you who have a wood mill today, happy milling day. He loves his wood mill. It sounds like our help is coming with his trailer. Possibly. I hope he takes away some of this scrap wood. Whoa, that was not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he fell off the machine. He's just trying to get a little too wrestling with this big tree. When you wrestle with a big tree or animal, it takes some precision and patience. There you go. This morning it was hard to get this thing started, but Daniel's over there explaining to our helper how to run this thing, and I would have put it on, but I don't think that the gentleman would like to be on YouTube, so we're going to try and be careful with that.
Okay, so I just made a cut on here, and that's what that wound up looking like right there. It's pretty, isn't it? But the piece I cut off there, because I'm trying to make these into boards for my my mill shed, I'm going to have to go with. So I cut this one off because there was a nice little hole in it. I know it's not. It don't look as great now because of. But I guarantee you, once I clean that up a little bit, we pour it full of resin. I have people trying to pay me $1 million for that thing. I'm joking, but probably at least $1,000 for that board right there, I bet you. But we'll see once we get it all together.
I show you guys how pretty this wood is. Oh my goodness. They say in every cut they make it's a different pattern. It's really pretty. But we've got I'm in my light here. Hold on. I was going to show you what a stack of wood we're getting off of this too. That's beautiful. Looks like we might be able to do some building today. So Daniel is sawing lengths while his friend is up on top helping. And we're getting this shed put together pretty nice. We got quite a bit of lumber for this. We're getting it put together. Look at them go. They're going right up and getting put right down. And this, of course, they're building with green wood here. And it's working out really nice. I am amazed at how nicely this is working out. All right, you guys, it's looking good. We have got more roof done than undone. And we've just gotten a long ways today. A special thanks to our friend who helped, and he knows who he is. And just so thankful to be getting this far on this project. And remember, this is pretty much a free shed. We're just paying for the nails, and of course we paid for the sawmill, but you know, and we will have paid for the skylights, which we bought at let's see, we bought at Habitat for Humanity, and I think we might have paid $15 for each one of them. So, you know, pretty nice for a $30 investment. As far as, and well, maybe $45 with your nails. And there it is. We're really getting a long ways. I'm so proud of how this is coming together. Today has been such an exciting day. We reached 101 subscribers,
Yeah.
So I had to do a cartwheel. And also, I'd like to tag, we would like to tag 6 people for this 40 question challenge. That I had been tagged by Growing Little Country Homestead, and that was such a fun thing, little exercise to do. I so enjoyed that video. So
I think we had to think about it a minute more.
Yeah, at first it was a little bit, I was a little nervous, but we pulled it together and said we're just going to do it.
Yeah.
And so we did. And so we want to tag these people. Julie Gilpin.
She goes by Jules.
And
then JC Studios.
And then Tasty and Quick Recipes.
Kelly Huff.
Huff. I believe that's Kelly Huff. Yes.
We'll
and
also
Project Bumble Jeep.
Yeah.
As well as
Southern Charles Family. So we'll also put this in the description below, and the questions will be in the description below. So.
Yes, so I can't wait to watch your videos.